GreenTech Environmental thanks you for choosing GT3000. Together, we'll get you set up and enjoying a cleaner living environment quickly and easily. First, let's unpack your purifier. Inside the box, you'll find a GT3000 whole home air purifier, a power cord and a DC power adapter, a remote with 2 AAA batteries, and an owner's manual. To get the most from your purifier, locate it in a common room that contains an HVAC return or connects to the hallway near the HVAC return. The HVAC system will help spread the active purification your unit produces to all parts of your living space. Place the purifier as high as possible. You might choose to set it atop a bookcase, shelf, or refrigerator. Putting the purifier on a desk or table limits its effectiveness. Never run your purifier on the floor. Make sure the purifier has at least 3 inches of open space behind it for airflow, and point the purifier towards the center of the room. Double check that your air purifier is secure. Falling purifiers can cause some pretty serious headaches. Unravel the cord attached to your DC power adapter and the power cord. Plug the DC power adapter plug into the rear of the purifier, then plug the power cord into the wall. Finally, plug the power cord's female end into the DC power adapter and make sure it is securely seated. The DC power adapter has a green LED that is lit whenever it is getting power. When you use your purifier for the first time, start out on normal mode. In normal mode, PCO is shown on the display. The fan should be set as high as possible without causing more noise than you are willing to allow. Leave the purifier in normal mode for at least 24 hours. If the backlit display and control panel are a nuisance, you can dim the light or turn it off and back on using the sleep button on the remote. After 24 hours, you can set the purifier to high mode. Make sure the area shown on the display is set to 23 square meters. In high mode, it is very important that the area on the display never exceed the area that the purifier is cleaning. To calculate the total area being cleaned, add together the area of all rooms that generally stay open to the part of the home that the purifier is set up in. Gradually increase the area on your purifier's display one setting every 24 hours until the display shows the area closest to the total area you are cleaning. You'll learn to identify the smell of the purification your purifier produces in high mode by smelling the air as it comes out of the unit. If you ever smell the purification anywhere other than directly in front of the unit, reduce the purification setting 1 or 2 steps. If you smell offensive odors in your living space, increase the purification setting 1 or 2 steps. Remember that you should never set your purifier to a higher setting than the area that it is treating. If, when following that rule, you find that an odor or other air quality problem still lingers, you'll want to use away mode. Away mode, as implied, is to be used only when everyone, including people and pets, are away from the space. When you're headed out for the day, push the away mode button until the display shows an amount of time 2 hours less than you expect the space to say unoccupied. Your purifier will generate a very high amount of purification for that amount of time, and then the purification will disperse before you return. After about a month of continuous use, your unit will display Perform Cleaning. Please watch our GT3000 cleaning video to learn how. You'll want to clean your purifier every 30 days or more often if your environment is heavily polluted by things such as excessive dust, cooking, pets, or smoke. The purification plate in your purifier will last a long time if properly cleaned and cared for. But the PCO cell contains a UV bulb that has to be replaced about once a year before it burns out to keep the unit performing as expected. We want to thank you again for choosing GreenTech Environmental to help improve your living space. We know you'll enjoy the cleaner, healthier environment that your GT3000 will provide you for years to come.